It is very important to remember that anytime we are working with a word problem, we need to show our work in words and sentences. So question A gives us one bag of apples has a mass of 2.4 kilograms, and then we need to calculate the mass of 8 bags. So first step is to set up the calculation. So they want to know the mass of 8 bags equal mass of 1 bag times 8. And we are given the mass of 1 bag of apples is 2.4 kilograms, and we multiply it with 8. So if you do 2.4 times 8, then 2 at 3, and then 16 plus 3 is 19. We have 1 decimal, so we go 1 time to the left, and that's where our decimal point is. So we can write the answers 19.2 kilogram. We are not done yet because we need to end our word problems with a sentence. So our sentence will be, therefore the mass of 8 bags of apples is 19.2 kilogram. And then we are done. So the next problem asks us to calculate the area of the rectangle, and we know the formula of an area of a rectangle is the length times the width, and we are given the length here and we are given the width here. So it's easy to set up the problem as the area of the rectangle equal length times width, and the length is 1.5 meter and the width is 3.9 meters, and we can do that calculation over here. So that 9 and that's 45, and then 3 and 15, we add them together, we have 9, 8, 9, 1. We have 1, 2 decimals, we go 2 times to the left, and that's where our decimal point is, and we can write it down here, 19.89 meters square. And then we need a sentence to conclude the problems, and that would be the area of the rectangle is 19.89 meters square. Last problem gives us the fuel cost is $1.52 per liter, and it asks how much will 8.9 liters of fuel will cost. So again, we need to set up our calculation. Cost of 8.9 liter equal cost of 1 liter times 8.9 liters. The cost per liter is $1.52, and then we multiply it with 8.9, so 1.52 times 8.9. We just do it as how we normally do with integer. So this is 8, remember 1 for 45, at 1 is 6, and then remember 4, that is 13, 16, remember 1, 40 plus 1 is 1, and then remember 4, 8 at 4 is 12. Then add them up together, they're gonna be 8, and then a 2, remember 1, then 3, 4, 5, 3, 1. So we have 1, 2, 3 decimals. We go 3 times to the left, 1, 2, 3, and that is our decimal point. Therefore, this is equal to $13.528. And then we have to conclude the problem with a sentence that say, therefore 8.9 liters of fuel will cost $13.528.